I'm Benedict, and today I will be talking to everybody about password security. Choosing a secure password is one of the easiest and least expensive ways to guard against unauthorized access. I will be giving multiple examples today on how to prevent this. Always change system default passwords after installing new programs or equipment. For example, when you get a new router for your internet, always set a good password because people looking for Wi-Fi will have no chance to getting into your system and messing with your files. Do not use familiar information. Like example, do not use a family name, your name, a pet's name. Therefore, it would be way too easy for someone to find your information because it would be way too easy to choose your password. Do not use any word that might appear in the dictionary. Any word at all. You want to use different characters, not only letters, numbers, symbols, anything that is for you that is easily remembered, but not easily guessed by random people. Make the password longer than 8 characters. Like I said, characters could consist of letters, numbers, symbols, anything like that. Make it longer because the longer it is, the harder it is to hack. Choose a combination of letters and numbers. Like I've said before already, when you choose letters and numbers, it is harder for people to guess what your password would be. Therefore, it is harder for them to get into your computer or your network and mess with the stuff on your computer, possibly hacking it, giving you viruses, etc., etc. Do not write down your password or share it with others. Easily self-explanatory. If you keep it to yourself, don't tell it to anybody other than maybe loved ones, you will have no problem whatsoever. Change your password at least every 60 days. If you do this, someone who's possibly trying to get onto your network will have no chance, because with a password at least 8 characters long, move your finger, with a password at least 8 characters long, there is no way they can guess in 60 days, and if you change it, easy enough, no one's going to guess it. Do not reuse passwords after they expired. Like I've said before, after 60 days, if it says renew your password, don't type the same one in. That just gives the hackers and people trying to get on your network a more extended time to do so. Use different passwords for different applications. So if you have the same password for your portal as you do your Facebook, that's not good. You don't want that because it gives more people more opportunities to, again, hack and get into your network or your computer. Really good hackers could actually get into your computer and see exactly what you would see while you're in there. You don't want that to happen. What you really want to do is set a password for everything. Don't laugh. I'll trim this. It's fine. What you really want to do is set a password for everything. To get into your computer, to get on email addresses, anything like that. Especially when you're in a business and you're trying to get on a server, everybody should have a different password. That way it is near impossible for anybody to get on that server to hack anything. Password guidelines should be clearly communicated to everyone in your organization. So if you are in a business, make sure they know these guidelines that I have spoken about previously. Although users might grumble about choosing a combination of letters and numbers and changing their passwords frequently, you can assure them that the company's financial and personal data is safer as a result. So if you want your company to be safer, or maybe not even your company, your home computer to be safer, follow these guidelines today, and I promise you a secure password is a secure way to keep your computer and business very safe. Thank you.